Hi everyone. It's a rainy day and I am actually here at the civil registrar's office or local civil registry. Ito pa. Medyo, hindi pala medyo. It's really rainy. And that's why medyo cloudy yung aking camera. I spent actually 4 hours to get my auntie's death certificate registered in the local civil registry here in General Santos City. To those who don't know, my aunt, my mom's sister, passed away recently, and so since she was under my care, so I'm now attending to all the paperwork that is necessary. So anyway, why 4 hours? Well, number one, because I really don't know how to do it myself. That's something that I'm not aware of. Okay, I'm not familiar with the offices where they are. I'm walking in the downtown of General Santos City, so you can hear a lot of background. The traffic noise is in the background. But anyway, I don't know where the offices are, where to go. But the hospital where that prepared my aunt's death certificate was very helpful, because they gave me instructions. What happens is that the hospital prepares the form, the death certificate form, and then you have, at least in my case, in our case, you have to do the legwork. First, you have to have it signed by the attending physician to certify the cause of death. And then next, you have to bring it back to the hospital for annotation and signature. And then the hospital, then you have to bring it to where was that? To the medical legal of the city health office, which was on another part or another side of the city, but close to the hospital. So that was a good thing. So that's where I went first. And then you have to go to the embalmer or the funeral parlor, I guess. That's what it is. So I did that and had it, and I obtained some kind of a certificate for cremation, because we had my aunt cremated. And then after that, after that, wait, I'm lost. I'm lost. I'm actually heading to the mayor's office, and I'll tell you in a short while. Let me finish my story first of the process. Okay, I'm crossing the street. Of course, I'm using the pedestrian lane. And then after the embalmer or funeral parlor, you have to have it registered, the death certificate, the death registered at the local civil registry. Now, the thing is, I could not find a parking space in the downtown area. It took me, I think, 45 minutes to finally find a spot. And then I had to walk. The offices are just close to each other, But the civil registry is somewhere on Pendaton Avenue. For those who are from Gensan, it's in Pendaton Avenue. And I parked in front of the municipal hall. So it's not a long walk. And but I went there, and then they gave me instructions to pay. I had to go back to the treasurer's building in the city hall and pay, and then walk again to the LCR to get the final copy, original, as well as have 10 copies, 10 ano yun? Yung certified true copies. So that cost me 170 pesos, and the photocopy was 50 pesos now for 10 copies. So now, when I was done, I was surprised because at the local civil registry, they told me, they gave me some kind of a coupon or ticket, and they said, you go to the mayor's office and you will actually get bigas, rice. I don't know if it's a sack of rice or what, but you know what? Hey, why not? Right? So I'm now here in the city hall, and let's see what this ayuda is. So let me show you first. I am now here in the entrance of the mayor's of the city hall, and look how nice. But this is what it is. It says lamay, LGP, lamay grocery pack from the mayor, Lorelai Geronimo Pacquiao. So nandito po tayo sa mayor's city hall, si Ma'am Solani at saka si Ma'am Marilu. So meron palang lamay grocery pack. Bago lang ho yan?
Ngayon lang.
Ngayong month lang? Or, talaga?
Kahapon lang po ito.
Wow, ang swerte naman namin.
Actually po, bukas na po ito matanggap.
So, ano yan kukunin po namin dito?
Depende po, tawagan lang kita kung kukunin nyo or i-deliver po.
Sige po. Wow, ang galing naman. Thank you, Mayor.
Dati po,
Mayor Pacquiao.
ang pinabigay po ni Mayor,
Oo.
bigas. Actually po, ito talaga lang may grocery. So, matagal kasi pag-delivery.
Kasi pinapack pa ho yan.
Si Mayor, naghanap ng paraan kung ano ang mabigay niya sa, habang hinihintay pa yung,
Kaya, okay. So, ano pong laman yan?
Hindi pa namin alam, pero
Hindi nyo rin po alam. Yung mga talaga pang lamay. Thank you very much kay Mayor Pacquiao. At narinig nyo po, bago lang daw pala ito. Pero tuloy-tuloy na po ito na programa. Wow. So, very good. So, para po na-document talaga, meron ho tayong i-fill out na form. Ano pong form ito?
form po.
Intake sheet, identifying data. So, ayan, susulat tayo dyan ng ating information para may record sila kung sino ang mga naging recipients, ano?
Magaling po siya mag-xerox po. Pasensya na po kayo. Hindi dito po.
Basta nakikita. Okay na ho yun. Pati address po, hindi na?
Address po po.
Okay, so next, we sign up. So sabi po ni Mama Lu po na is Marilu.
Yes po.
Na tatawag po sila tomorrow kasi hindi pa naman ready ngayon. Thank you very much po sa inyong dalawa. Thank you po. Ayan. Wow. The largest fish display consists of 25,594.49 kilograms of yellowfin tuna and was achieved by the city of General Santos. This was on September 11, 2014. Grabe. Display. which means several tuna fish. Beautiful. Look at that. Very beautiful entrance in the city hall. Nice. So that completes my what I thought was a very daunting task. It ended on a good note kasi may ayuda po tayo. May bigas daw, mga coffee, the usual stuff that people usually have for wakes. But I told them that since my auntie was cremated, we just had a memorial service and natapos na yung ating memorial service. But it's nice to know that you can call it some kind of a social welfare service is available here at the mayor's office at the city hall. So that's it, guys. It's a rainy day. I'm a little bit sentimental because my aunt just passed away, but God is good and God is faithful. God provides even the energy to walk back and forth. Really, I am thankful that it is not a hot, sunny day because otherwise I would have been really irritable and unhappy. So it all worked out and I'm thankful for that. Okay, so 2 days after I went to the city hall to claim or to file my claim for the lamay package, the city hall personnel called me up on the phone at about like 2 hours ago or 3 hours ago, and they said they were delivering the package or the pack to the house since I gave them our address. So anyway, let me do the unboxing because it's a big box. So it is this big plastic box, and I've actually started to remove the what do you call this? The tape, no? Packaging tape. And inside, ayan. So we have boxes of juice. And then, what is this? What is this? Oh, so this is, I guess this is coffee. I'm not familiar with this brand. Twin pack, Wings Food, okay. There are candies, no? Candies, nuts, like these are really snacks. There are 2 big tubs of assorted biscuits or cookies, and there is one, I think that is it no, I don't think it's 25 kilos, but it's down here. Let's remove this. Yep, that one. There's a sack of rice, a small one. It's probably, yeah, it is 25 kilos, no? Meron tayong, it's Milagrosa, fragrant mabango. No? So that is Japonica rice. Wow, this is nice. Okay, so that's what they gave us, and it's in this tub. Very nice. So there you go. You all take good care of yourselves, okay? And keep watching. Thank you for continuously watching my vlogs, and I hope you learn a thing or two as always. Bye bye.